Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to all the dignitaries, delegates, teachers, and dear students for this National E-Conference on the theme of Emerging Trends in Accounting and Finance, jointly organized by IQSE and Department of BAF in association with Vasant College of Arts and Commerce. Before we start off with this session, I would like to introduce to our Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College. Thakur Shyamnarayan Educational Group is divided into three sections, namely Thakur Educational Trust, Zagudu Singh Educational Trust, and Zagudu Singh Charitable Trust, all managed by Thakur family. There are 18 institutions under this banner. The various courses offered by our college are BSc Hospitality Studies, BA Culinary Arts, BA MMC Bachelors of Arts in Multimedia and Mass Communication, BSc Interdisciplinary Microbiology, BSc CS Computer Science, BSc IT Information Technology, BMS Bachelor in Management Studies, BCom Banking and Insurance, BCom Accounting and Finance, BSc Aeronautics Avionics, and BSc Aeronautics Mechanical. The educated second generation of Thakur family under the A1 leadership of Chief Patron Shri V.K. Singh Sir, the chairman of ZSCT's Thakur Education Trust, Mumbai. He foresaw the need for quality education and decided to fulfill the long-cherished dream of elders to start a college in Mumbai which provides quality and professional education to students. ZSCT is presently run by our respected patron Shri Rajesh Singh Sir, CEO of Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, Mumbai. Now, I would request BAF students to sing National Anthem. Please stand up in respect of the National Anthem. Thank you, students. Now, let's proceed further by remembering our great Almighty. Requesting Sudeepa from FI BAF to sing E-Sastavan.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
Thank you, Sudeepa, for melodious song. Now, I would request Atharva from SY BAF to present Maharashtra Geet.
माना चल के कभी था मद्रासी, माना चल के था पंजाबी, माना चल के कभी था गुजराती, माना चल के था बंगाली। चाहे कोई भी हो तेरी भाषा, चाहे कोई भी हो बोली, नस नस में दौड़े है जो तेरे, पहचान हवा है कहाँ की है, पानी कहाँ का है, मिट्टी कहाँ की। महाराष्ट्र माझा गरज
Thank you, Atharva, for presenting harmonious Maharashtra Geet. Now, requesting you all to please stand for Mumbai University song.
सुन्दरं मन्दिरं शारदाया मुम्बापुरी विश्वविद्यालयम् इदं सुन्दरं मन्दिरं शारदाया
Honorable dignitaries, learned delegates, respected teachers, and dear students, with great privilege and immense pleasure, I would like to welcome our respected principal, Dr. Sharad Fulhari sir. We feel honored to have you with us. You are one of the respected dignitaries and has made us all proud with your distinguished work and numerous capabilities. Dr. Sharad Fulhari sir has 21 years of experience in teaching as an associate professor and 8 years of experience as a principal and has organized more than 28 conferences. 4 research projects are completed under his guidance. He wrote 7 books and presented 65 research papers in national and international conferences. Sir has also been awarded the Best Teacher in Best College by Mumbai University. Sir is a man of distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas and a great mentor too. He is an idol of knowledge, experience, and an inspiration to all of us. Now, I would request Honorable Dr. Sharad Fulhari sir to deliver his inaugural address.
It is a rising moment in research and innovation field. Today is the 30th November 2022. Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, Mumbai is celebrating this rising moment by organizing the National E-Conference. Today's National E-Conference is organized by IQAC of this Thakur Shyamnarayan College and Department of Accounts and Finance of this college. On this occasion of the E-Conference, very good morning to all of you. It's a warm welcome to all of you for attending this national conference today on 30th November 2022, which is organized by IQAC and BAF department of this college. For this national e-conference, we have Dr. Zabez as chief guest, while Mr. Kannan Sirni as keynote speaker. Along with these dignitaries, a very warm welcome to the teacher dignitaries, research dignitaries, and very curious students. In this event, the support of management, execution of organization committee, and worth contribution by convener of this event is Sagar Kunbi is to be underlined. I repeat, in this event, the support of management, execution of organization committee, and worth contribution by convener Sagar Kunbi is to be underlined. For today's e-conference, chief guest is Honorable Dr. Zabed J. Sir is Associate Professor in Satyabama University of Chennai. He is intellectual authority in the field of managerial skill. Warm welcome to Sir. The keynote speaker for this conference, Mr. Kannan Sirni Sir, is a dynamic supremo in human resource field. Sir hold the post of Deputy General Manager in Bank of Baroda, Bangalore branch. The professional skills of Kannan Sir are unbeatable and inspiring to the institute where he serviced. Warm welcome to such a practical person in the conference. The monetary and moral support for this e-conference is provided by governance body of the management. Honorable V.K. Singh Sir and Honorable Rajesh Singh Sir are the guiding and motivational force for this exercise of e-conference. Warm welcome to the dignitaries who representing the governance body. Sagar Kundi, coordinator of BAF department, and his disciplined colleagues Vidhi Gelani and Shweta Singh ma'am are active initiator for this movement. I repeat, and very honored to say that Mr. Sagar Kundi, coordinator of the BAF, and his disciplined colleagues Vidhi Gelani and Shweta Singh ma'am are active initiator for this movement. Sagar Kundi sir means the leading coordinator of this department. Sagar Kundi sir is the Sagar Kundi sir's initiation to create and maintain the research environment for this conference is really remarkable. About 50 research papers are received to present today's conference. The emerging trends in accounts and finance are practically worked in this conference. This national e-conference means a remarkable day in history of Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College. Wishing all the best and thanking for every one of you for being a part of this historical moment. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Principal Sir, for your valuable time and precious words to all of us. Now, on behalf of the college, I would like to welcome our renowned chief guest, Dr. Jabez J., Associate Professor from Satyabama University, Chennai. We are very grateful of him for accepting our invitation and becoming the chief guest of today's event. I would request our respected chief guest, Dr. Jabez J., to address our national e-conference.
Greetings to all. I am Dr. Jabez, Associate Professor, Department of Information Technology, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It is my pleasure to stand before you for this online conference, National Conference on Emerging Trends in Accounting and Finance. I think the organizers have carefully chosen this trendy title for this conference. In today's modern world, what are the accounting trends? Accounting trends are the developments and the reactions to changing the landscapes and technology and other market focuses that shapes the accounting profession. In my perspective, due to the fast advancement in technology, the accounting industry is moving forward towards automation and artificial intelligence. You would have this adaptation during this pandemic situation. Today, the world is revolving around automation of repetitive accounting tasks in the accounting industry. Some of the processes that are being automated include approval workflows, bank reconciliation, journal entries, intercompany consolidation, revenue recognition, lease accounting, and so on. While there are many accounting functions that can be automated, there is a lack of understanding of the technologies and the lack of resource to implement them. In order to fill this gap, we need to have knowledge in the following things. The first one is role in artificial intelligence. Today, artificial intelligence is dominating the entire world and will have a significant impact on finance and accounting. Companies are using AI and robotic process automation to automate highly repeated tasks, allowing the accountants to focus their time on higher impact and higher value activities. Then the second one is data analytics and forecasting tools. Among the accounting tips for both small business and larger companies, increasing the use of budgeting, forecasting and planning software as well as the data analytics and visualization tools is one of the most impactful. The program is designed to equip accounting and finance professionals with a strong critical thinking, problem solving techniques, skills needed to advance the business strategy, and then digital transformation. Faster than perhaps even ever before, organizations are transforming how they do business with the aid of digital technology, and accounting and finance teams have been at the heart of it all. They have put process in a place to account for a new revenue from subscription models, new channels, new physical and digital product offering, and more. One of the most pressing accounting challenges is leveraging technologies to support the business strategy and adapt to the changing conditions. And then online collaboration and remote workforce is one of the major one which is having a great impact over the customers now, especially useful with the trend of remote working. Cloud-based software allows the teams that are physically dispersed to collaborate and accomplish critical finance process from anywhere with a computer and an internet connection. Accounting will need collaboration tools such as Zoom, Fort, and functional collaboration tools for e-signature and cloud-based file sharing. And one of the major questions we all have in our mind is data security. Data breaches are a bigger risk than ever, and the finance departments are one of the leading targets. The breach can lead to identify theft or stealing of personal data, credit card information, and snooping, which is when an email is distinguished to appear to come from a known and trustworthy source. Training in recognizing potential harmful emails and spotting attacks will continue to be a crucial for the accounting teams, who are already skilled in looking at the details and spotting anomalies. The accounting team can share the importance and become the champions of cybersecurity for our organization. And another one major technology which is blooming nowadays is blockchain. Blockchain is one of the recent trends in accounting due to its direct relationship with ledgers. The primary goal of the blockchain is to maintain the ledger account containing financial information. It is also responsible for the transfer of ownership of assets in secure and verifiable manner. And another one important criteria or parameter we need to understand is forensic accountancy. Forensic accountancy is one of the latest accounting trends and techniques, and not many people know about it. Forensic accounts belongs to a law enforcement agencies or private auditing firms that prevent, detect, and investigate financial crimes such as fraud, corruption, and money laundering. They will have skills and knowledge in accounting, criminal and law, civil law, and IT. Hope this conference will pave a way and guide you to the advancement on technology, and this will be a benefit for all the participants across the country. At last, I would like to congratulate the management, organizers, and all the participants to be a part of this great event. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Jabez J. Sir. Now, I would like to welcome our keynote speaker, Mr. Kannan Srini Sir, ex-DGM HR of Bank of Baroda, Bangalore. He has strong knowledge and experience with the dynamics of forex and financial market. He is an incisive and result-oriented banking professional with over 37 years of extensive and diverse experience with Vijaya Bank and Bank of Baroda. I would request our keynote speaker, respected Mr. Kannan Srini Sir, to address this national e-conference.
Namaskar. It's a privilege to participate in this e-conference to discuss about the emerging trends in finance, business, accounting, and the recent developments in these spheres. As you all know, the world it is evolving itself, and there are improvements, changes, updations over the years in various fields. Basically, finance, it was basic banking, trading and accounting. But it is a broad term which is essential part of business. It is a study of money, currency, assets. Further, it is classified as personal finance, corporate finance, public finance. Many subdivided areas are there. It is also managing assets like money, risk and investment. Further, if you see over a period of evolution, industrial finance, industrial accounting, it consists of cost accounting, wherein wherein the cost is analyzed or bisected into various heads like a variable cost, fixed cost, operational cost, overhead cost, like that, to analyze and justify the expenses or to take an analytical view and improve the bottom line. Personal finance, over a period it has evolved, and it is for creation of wealth like house, car and your investments to save for your retirement. So these are how to manage this is the personal finance. In this area also, over the period there has been much improvement, and nowadays even the credit is available at easily. Corporate finance, it is about finance which is required to run a corporate. It is if you consider, it involves capital cost and working capital finance, term finance and other aspects, profitability, all those things. And they have different policies like each for creation of capital, there are policies, and how to declare profit, to improve the dividend declaration, for everything there is a policy and they go by that. Under CSR, money is spent for providing education, shelter, planting of trees and other environmental support, what is being done. This CSR activity helps to build their public relations and public image. In fact, many corporates use this as also as a tool for their advertisement or their visibility. Over the period, the corporates, though they have been making profit and doing certain things, they have their own ethical and social accountability. They have to the corporates have to ensure there is no conflict of interest and proper financial reporting. Whatever is happening inside is being brought to the knowledge of the stakeholders like government, regulatory authorities, shareholders and board. As well, they have to ensure there is no discrimination at the place of work, either by age, religion or gender or racial discrimination. So corporates are expected to provide a proper working environment to all the employees so that they can contribute fearlessly to the company as well to the nation. Nowadays, social media is very active. So there are comments, remarks or the criticization or appreciation about all the activities in social media. These has to be handled properly. So corporates have to have a team on social, they should have a social media policy and they should have a dedicated team to respond to all those reports or messages that pour in through social media. As we discuss about the corporate finance and profitability, then taxation comes. Taxation is a profit sharing to the stakeholder, to the government, for executing various developmental activities, providing environmental development, infrastructure. There are direct and indirect taxes. Earlier days we had sale tax, octroi and different types of indirect taxes. That over a period that has been brought under the concept of GST, gross GST. So it is uniform across the country, and in that both state and central governments they have their own share. It is simplification of early tax, and it is avoiding cascading tax effect. As income tax is a direct tax that is paid out of the income of profit earned by the individual or the corporate. So in addition to the profit sharing or taxation, the corporates have corporate social responsibility, wherein as we grow, we are expected to contribute to the society which has given us all this development as well as finance, support, infrastructure. In the process of our growth, there are certain sections who have been neglected or who still need some support. So help them as well as to protect the environment. Each corporate has to have a corporate social responsibility. They should have CSR policy, and under that they have to spend. Corporates to expand, diversify their activities. They have two options: either to start a business from scratch or activity from the establishment, establishing it and further growing. Or another alternative is mergers and acquisitions. Already there are established small companies who have established that activity and it is available in the market. They take over this through merger and acquisition process. In this process, already established business can be taken over by the corporate. At the same time, the person who has developed, he can take a decision to sell it for a gain and do further activity. This is a process which is nowadays there are more mergers and acquisitions as the market has been opened and as globalization is happening. There are more fund flow and these activities are on the increase. The mergers and acquisition, international mergers and acquisition, that has thrown a new dimension, and accounting policies or accounting process for this has to be revised and devised properly. What's accounting education? Accounting education is study of business accounting, public accounting, management accounting, financial management, corporate accounting, treasury management. These can be grouped as accounting education. HRM accounting is that accounting of expenses related to recruitment, training, payment of salaries, settlement of terminal benefits, and other expenses that is incurred in relation to staff development, improving HDA. These are called HRM accounting. Now, all residents are permitted to invest overseas. Earlier, corporates, they were permitted, subject to certain parameters, their performance for the previous 3 years, they can invest in overseas companies. Now, individuals also under LRS, within the limit of $250,000 per year, they can invest in overseas stocks. There are stock brokers, through them they can invest and hold. It has been up to, as the country is moving towards capital account convertibility, these steps are being taken. So we are current account, we are fully convertible. To go on capital account convertibility also, over a period our country wants to do that. So as a step towards that, so investment in overseas stocks are being permitted.
Thank you so much, respected Kanan Srini sir. Now, let's have a short tea break.